But one
Yes.
of the things that I mentioned, LeBron James might still be playing well, but sa tingin ko pagod na. Parang
Yes.
medyo fatigue. Yung outside shooting niya, 0 out of 6. Kapos na yung mga
Yes.
tira eh.
Yes,
Do you
because
think
what, boss?
pagod na siya? Hmm?
Yes, because sabi nga ni boss, Charles Barkley mismo ha, don't quote me, but Charles Barkley mismo.
Mm.
When you get old, like si Barkley nga, he left the NBA when he was 37. He felt na matanda na siya.
Mm.
LeBron's 41, boss.
Yeah.
And when you shoot like LeBron does, your legs are very important, boss. Kasi jump shooter si LeBron, di ba? Pag talagang jump, hindi set shooter si LeBron, jump shooter yan eh.
Mm-mm.
And then you're talking about a guy who's 250 pounds, boss. 6'9" and 250. Tapos ang game ng Rockets, bilisan. So habol ng habol si LeBron. Look at that sequence. Yung na steal ni Reed Shepherd ang bola.
Shepherd.
Oo, Shepherd. Hindi humabol si LeBron. Di ba? Remember sa finals, yung hinabol niya si Iguodala? Iguodala? Remember that iconic chase dunk, a chase block? In that game against Rockets, after the turnover, LeBron just stood there. Parang pagod na. Hindi na niya hinabol si Shepherd, si Reed.